everyone, this is Shivani Sinha and I am here once again with a new topic of MS Word. तो आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे और सीखेंगे that how can we write a application or a letter with a good format और एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की तरफ से एक लेटर हेड पे हम कैसे एक फॉर्मल एप्लीकेशन लिख सकते हैं. So here we go. First of all, we have to open our MS Word of course, and then MS Word पे हम लिखेंगे organization name. Okay, so organization name, where is what maybe it will be a college name, institute name, school name, or any university name, any company name, anything. So first of all, we have to format this with Times New Roman, and then its size. It totally depends on the letter and totally depends on the letter or the format you are writing. And now I'm going to write some important headings which we have to write when we are writing any type of application. Okay, so sender address, uh, to the CEO, to the manager, whatever you want to write, and what is needed, that should be right there. So after sender address, to the sender, to CEO, company name, and then date. Okay, subject, and after that, yes, subject, one sec. So sender address, to the CEO, company name, date, subject, and all. After that we have to write the full respected sir, dear sir, and all. So that full content we can call this as a description. हम उसे description कह सकते हैं, जो भी whatever the content of the letter is, and after that thank you. ओके, एंड थैंक यू के बाद आप सिग्नेचर कर सकते हो. सिग्नेचर आप एंड योर डिजिग्नेशन नेम, टू होम हु यू आर, फॉर राइटिंग दिस एप्लीकेशन, राइट. आफ्टर दैट, yes, designation, your signature, name and designation. All right, so now we are going to write. These are the format, and in the new page we are going to write like organization name at the head, like Shivani and all, whatever you want to write, you just write. So it is a company of Webex Private Limited. Okay, I have just taken a random name of a company. You can take your own, or the organization or an institute you are belonging. So I'm just resizing its size, font, and underline it because it will seem better. Now I'm going to check the next one. Next one is sender address, right? The first one. So in the next page, the fresh page, we are going to write the sender address like Webex Private Limited. Yes, Webex Private Limited. Now its address, like Mithanpura, comma, lane number 4, now Muzaffarpur. You may write pin number or pin code, and if you don't want, then don't write. But if you are giving some address, then this is the perfect way to define any address with a pin code. It will be easy for the letter letterhead also, and for the receiver also to understand where we are where we are receiving this letter. But see, there is a very much difference between them. So we are just what we have done, we just remove the space. Now it will be good seeing, right? It seems good. तो हम लोगों ने क्या किया, पैराग्राफ के ऊपर हमारे पास क्या था, स्पेस, रिमूव स्पेस का ऑप्शन था, राइट। तो वहाँ से जाके हमने इसे सिलेक्ट करके इसे रिमूव कर दिया। नाउ टू द मैनेजर, CEO, organizational head, whatever you want to write, you can write. It fully depends on your topic, or on your reasons for what you are going to write this letter. So to the manager, laptop tech, I have just taken some random name, laptop tech private limited. Okay, yeah. Now same address will be there, that is Kalyani, Muzaffarpur. Okay, and pin code 842002. Now after that, date. So we are writing date like 11th, or something like maybe 8th, 11th, or November 2021. Okay, now we have to take a space between the address and the date. Now we have to write subject. In subject we have to write this replacement of laptops. Actually the exact topic of this letter we have to write under this subject column. Okay, so replacement of laptops. Now sir, oblique ma'am, whatever. कॉमा, सर के बाद मैंने इसे भी एक नीचे कर लिया, सो इट विल लुक गुड, एंड देन सर कॉमा, या फुल स्टॉप छूट गया था डेट में. ओके, नाउ विद ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट, मे बी दिस इज टू इन्फॉर्म यू. Actually the description of the letter we have to write in this. So it will say that a body or a structure, body of the letter. So this is to inform you that whatever the reasons are there, you may write there all the descriptions here. Okay, so paragraph changes also may also occur. You can change the paragraph also. Okay, now thank you. Don't write thanks in formal letter. Write always thank you. Now yours faithfully. Okay. Yours sincerely, yours faithfully, yours obediently. You can write any of this. Now your name, your name, signature, designation, all these things are written here. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to write another one, that is for letterhead. This is a sample I have already. See this college name, and after that address. Now letter number and date. Okay. Now college name, we have just copied that Webex Private Limited and all. Yeah, college name or organization name, address, and then we have the same format for this. Okay. So there are three types of things you can write here. Okay, if you have any doubt, any problem, then you can comment. Write your issues in this comment. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this.